Today I am going to teach you thermodynamics numerical based on enthalpy of formation. Calculate the standard enthalpy of formation of C2H4 from the following equation. C2H4 plus thrice O2 gives twice CO2 plus twice H2O. Delta H minus 1323 kilojoule. Given that delta F of H naught CO2 H2O minus 393.5 and minus 249 kilojoule per mole respectively. Again I repeat, in this question reaction is given. This is the combustion of C2H4, ethene, carbon dioxide and water molecule are produced. Enthalpy is also given. This is the reaction enthalpy, and enthalpy of formation of CO2 and H2O is given. Calculation. First of all, write reaction balance chemical equation. C2H4 plus thrice O2 gives twice CO2 plus 2H2, which is given. Now reaction enthalpy means product minus reactant. Enthalpy of product minus enthalpy of reactant. Here reaction enthalpy is given, which is minus 1323 kilojoule per mole to into minus 393.5. This data is also given, and 2 H2O 2 into minus 249. Enthalpy of C2H4 we are going to calculate. And what is the enthalpy of O2? The enthalpy of O2 is 0. After multiplying and subtracting the equation, now we get delta F of HC2H4 is equal to 38 kilojoule per mole. Now second sum. The enthalpy of combustion of ethanoic acid is CH3COOH plus O2 gives 2CO2 plus twice H2O. Delta H is equal to minus 286 kilojoule per mole. If the value of delta F of H, CO2 and H2O are minus 393 kilojoule per mole and minus 286 kilojoule per mole respectively. Calculate the enthalpy of formation of ethanoic acid. So in this you have to calculate formation of ethanoic acid. Same question. Answer: product minus reaction. Reaction enthalpy delta 2 HCO2 plus 2 H2O minus delta F of acetic acid plus F of O2. Enthalpy of oxygen remains 0. Reaction enthalpy is given, which is minus 286 is equal to 2 minus 393.5, which is the enthalpy of CO2 formation enthalpy, and minus 286, it is enthalpy of formation of water, it is given. Now you have to calculate enthalpy of ethanoic acid, formation of ethanoic acid. So after multiplication and subtracting, we get enthalpy of ethanoic acid is minus 492. Thank you.